If you are craving a moist, spiced, and totally satisfying carrot cake, you are in the right place. This recipe is simple, comes together quickly, and is packed with warm flavors and just the right amount of crunch. Here are the ingredients you need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, half of a teaspoon nutmeg, and half of a teaspoon salt. 1 and 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, half cup brown sugar, half cup white sugar for the perfect blend, 4 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that flavor. And you would also need 2 cups freshly grated carrots and half cup crushed nuts mix. First of all, you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade and grease an 8-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, pour in the vegetable oil, the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the eggs all at once. Give this a very good mix, then add the vanilla extract and mix until just smooth. Now pour in all the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and salt at the same time. Stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Gently stir in the grated carrots and crushed nuts. You don't need to go crazy here. Just mix until everything is evenly spread throughout the batter. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and tap it gently on the counter to get rid of air bubbles. Pop this into the oven and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool off completely. Slice this up and enjoy as it is or go all out with some cream cheese frosting. And that's it. Easy, right? This carrot cake is super moist, full of warm spice, and has the perfect amount of crunch from all of the nuts. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just want a sweet treat, this one's always a winner. Enjoy. And just like that, we just baked up the best, moistest, fluffiest, highly nutty carrot cake recipe you would ever have. If you enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video as well. I'll see you in my next video.